My name is Afolabi once again, and I'll be taking you on mathematics today. I hope you have been watching our previous videos and you have been dropping your comments. So today we'll continue with our study of coordinate geometry. Of course, we have done a video before now on coordinate geometry where we talked about the midpoints, distance between points, and we also talked about the slope of the line. But today we are going to focus on equations of line. How do we get the equations of line when we are given different parameters? First of all, when we are given a point and a slope, when we are given a slope and a point, let's say we are given a point 1 comma minus 2, and we are given the slope of the line to be minus 1 over 2, the equation of the line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That's just that. Then when we are given 2 points, we are not giving slope here, we are just giving 2 points. We are giving x1, y1 and x2, y2. The equation of the line will be y minus y1, x minus x1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Likewise, you might be given a line, and you'll be told that, okay, that line you have to look for is parallel or perpendicular to that given line. Okay, we are given a parallel or perpendicular line, y equal to m1x plus c, and we are told that we have to find another equation of the line that is parallel or perpendicular to this line, and that line passes through x1, y1. If it is parallel, I told you in the previous video, that means their slope will be the same if they are parallel, and the equation of the new line will be y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1, because the slope will be the same thing. But if it is perpendicular, then m2 will be minus 1 over m1. We have done this in the previous video. So if you have not watched the previous video, you can go and check it out. So m2 is minus 1 over m1, that is if it is parallel. Then just take minus 1 over m1, fix it in this position, and you'll be able to get the equation of the line. So these are the 3 points we want to focus on today. The first one, we're going to take illustration on the first one. I'll just take illustration on the first one. Find the equation. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of the line with slope. Minus 1 over 3. And passing through points minus 1 comma minus 2. So we are given the slope. Look at this equation. We are given the slope and we are given the point. So that means we are using this very first one where we are given the slope and the point. So we are given the slope m, which is minus 1 over 3, and we are given the point minus 1 comma minus 2. So we are going to use this to find the equation of the line. So this is the first one we are going to use. So the equation of the line will be what? Y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. So what is y1? Y minus, what's y1? Remember this is x comma y. So this is x1, y1. That's minus 2 equal to, what's your m? Minus 1 over 3 into x minus, what's x1? Minus 1. So open up the brackets, what do you have here? Y plus 2. Okay, y plus 2 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 over 3 into x plus 1. Then you cross multiply, take the 3 to the other side. What do you have? You have 3y plus 6 equal to minus x plus minus 1. Okay, use minus 1 to multiply everything here. So what do we have here? Is 3y, okay, plus x plus 6 plus 1. So you have 3y plus x plus 7 equal to 0 as the equation of the line. So when you are given 1 point and the slope, all you need to do is to apply this equation, then you have the equation of the line. That is that for the equation of the line. We still have more illustrations we can try here. Let's look at this. Here we have the equation of the line that is passing through 2 points. This is the second point. When you are passing through 2 points, I told you the other time, when we have a line passing through 2 points, what will be the equation of the line? We have 2 points. What are the 2 points? 2 points minus 1 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 3. The equation of the line will be y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you can take anyone as your x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. Remember, you take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So fixing these values, fix it into this equation. What do you have? That's y minus, what is y1? Y1 there is 2 over x minus 1. That's x1 and y1 equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. That's minus 3 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. That's 0 minus 1. Okay, so we use it. That's y minus 2, x plus 1 equal to minus 5 over 1. This is minus 5 over 1. So what do we do from there? We cross multiply, isn't it? If we cross multiply, we have 1 minus 2 equal to minus 5 into x plus 1. We cross multiply. Okay, so open up this bracket we have here. That would be y minus 2 is minus 5x minus 5. Then bring every other thing to the side. You have what? If you bring every other thing you have here to the side, what do you have? That will be y minus 2 plus 5x, okay? Plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so from there you have y plus 5x, okay, plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Equation of the line. So you can see that in this case we are given what? We are given 2 points, minus 1, 2 and 0, minus 3. But in this case here, we are given just the point and the slope. So the way you solve the equation, or the way you solve the question you are given, depends on the parameter you are given. And that is why I gave you in the initial part of this video, I gave you 3 or 4 fundamental equations that you can use. The first one is when you are given a point and a slope. The second one is when you are given 2 points. And look at this case now. In this case, you are given a line which is parallel to the line we are looking for. We are looking for a particular line, and it's parallel to this line, and it's also passing through this point. So if it is parallel to this line, remember the condition I told you in the previous video. If we have two lines that are parallel, what is the condition? The condition is that the slope will be the same. Look at what I mean. The line we are looking for is parallel to this line, okay? The line is parallel to 2y plus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So the question is, what is the slope of this line? If we're able to get the slope of this line, it will be the same slope as the line we're looking for. Can we get the slope of this line? Yes, we can. How do we get the slope of this line? We make y the subject of formula. Okay, getting the slope. Here we have what? We have 2y equal to minus 4x plus 1. Remember, I have to write it as what? Y equal to mx plus c, where this will now be the slope, isn't it? So that's what I'm trying to do here. So we have y equal to what? Minus 4x over 2 plus 1 over 2. So we have y equal to minus 2x plus half. So this will definitely be my slope. Okay, so I have m1 equal to minus 2. So for parallel line, then m2 will also be what? M1 will also be what? Minus 2. So the slope will be the same thing as the slope of this line. Why? Because this is what? Parallel. So the new line we're looking for, it will be easier for us to find that line by using the formula which we used initially, where we know the slope and the point. Here too we know the what? We know the slope and we know the point. So the equation of line will now be what? Will be y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. This is when we are given a point and the slope. Okay? So we have y minus, what's y1? y1 is minus 2 equal to minus 2 into what? X minus 3. Okay? If you reduce that very well, you get what? You get y plus 2x. Okay? Y plus 2x plus what? Y plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. That's what you get if you expand that. And this will now be the equation of the line. This is the equation of the line. Is equation of the line. So the way we get the equation of the line depends on what we are given. This is another case entirely different from the initial one we went through here. Here we are given to find the equation of the line, but we are given a line that is perpendicular to, remember here it was parallel to, but here it is perpendicular to this line, and it is passing through a point, but not just a point, it is passing through the midpoint of this point and this point. Of course, we know how to find the midpoint. So the first thing is, we'll get the slope of this line. Remember, if it is perpendicular, remember the condition for perpendicularity, m2, m1 equals to minus 1, isn't it? So your m2 will be minus 1 over m1. This is the condition for perpendicularity. So if I can get my m1 for this line, then I'll be able to get my m2 for the new line as well. Minus 1 over the m of that line. Then I can also get the point where the line will pass through as well. The midpoint of these two lines. So can I get the midpoint first? Let me get the midpoint. Midpoint, remember it's x2 plus x1 over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. So what do I have for my midpoints there? What do I have? My midpoints there will be what? X2 plus x1 divided by 2. So I have minus 1, comma. Look at it. Minus 2 divided by 2, that's minus 1. Then this, I have 4 divided by 2, that's 2. So that's the midpoint of the 2 points. So the next thing is getting the slope of the line, 2y plus x minus 3 equals to 0. That's the next thing I'm supposed to get. And I'll make y the subject formula. Y will be what? Minus 1 over 2x, okay? Plus 3 over 2. That's y. I make y the subject formula from here. So what's the slope? The slope m1 will thus be what? This is the slope. Will be minus 1 over 2. Remember, the slope is always the coefficient of x when you make y the subject of the formula. So after getting the slope, we can get the slope of the new line we want to get. Okay? For the new line, the new perpendicular line, For the new perpendicular line, what will be the slope? M2. That will be minus 1 over M1. That will be minus 1 over minus 1 over 2, isn't it? This is M1. So my M2 will simply be what? 2 from here. Okay, so after getting my M2, the next thing is to get the equation of the line. Of course, I've gotten the slope and what? The point. So what can I use now? I will use the equation of when I have the point and the slope, just like I used there. So the equation of the line will just be what? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So of course, I know what my y1 and x1 is. This is x1, y1. Okay, so I have y minus 2 equal to m, which is 2 into x minus 1. Are you here? So I'll open this. This is y minus 2, and here I have 2x plus 2. Okay, so if I bring those ones over to this side, I have y minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0 as the equation of the line. So the way you get the equation of the line depends on the parameters you are given. You can see we have used several methods in obtaining the equation of the line. Of course, if you have any problem or any challenge with this video, you can pause, rewind, and watch it again. And don't forget to drop comments and like. Thank you.